Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you a closer view of what I just did to this painting. It's a 24 by 48 inch, pretty large painting. So let me zoom you in for a closer look at this beauty. The colors are beautiful. Look at the detail, the shimmer, if you can see it. I think you can. With the gold. Oh, it's so shimmery. It's so just fresh and beautiful with these colors. It looks like a big plant. It's like gorgeous, colorful, bright. I did my manipulation after I painted it, as you guys just saw me do. But woo! I'm pretty excited about this one, and wait till it dries. Ooh, it's gonna be pretty. I've got to fix up my edges still, and I will definitely be showing you, obviously, on my social media. But yeah, this is pretty fabulous, guys. I think you'll like it. The colors are really cool. So anyways, I am going to let this dry. I'll be posting it on my social media, Facebook account, Tina's Inspired Art, as well as my Instagram account, Tina's Inspired Art. I'll be posting it online. It's available for purchase if anybody is interested. And I will have the full video posted on my YouTube channel that I just created about a week ago. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining in with me today. I really appreciate y'all. Keeps me inspired to keep doing this. I love it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.